Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video I'm going to let you know how you can add text in your Wondershare Filmora's project or Wondershare Filmora's clip or video as well. What will I do? I will first open any of my video here and I will click on open and I will drag it to my timeline, and you can see video have successfully imported to my timeline as well. Right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do some things. I'm going to add text to this video. So friend, as you can see, this video is only of one layer and this is video layer as well, so audio layer as well. This is the audio track and this is the video track. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some text in the start of my video and in the end of my video. Here is the text menu. I will click here and I will drag this text to my timeline, and you can see I can drag it to I can increase its time by dragging it, and I can also rename it, and I can also re-enter my text what I want to do. I want to add how to add text in Filmora's video. So friends, you can see text has been successfully entered in your timeline and also in your project window. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on OK, and my text has been successfully added. Let's suppose I want to make some change. What will I do? I will double click here, and I can make it to any of the color which I want. I can make it white and black, and I can make it pinkish and yellowish color, white and yellowish color as well, and bluish and blackish shade, yellowish and black shade, dark yellow and orange type and yellow shade with the edge of black color, and this one is also zinc type plus white and very light zinc, and this one is bluish and white shade, blackish and yellowish shade, and orangish and blackish shade, blackish and yellowish orange shade. This is pink and black shade. So friends, you can see there are many templates and many sizes. You can also save your style as a custom size style. So what I'm not going to do this, I'm not going to make any change here, and I am going to make it simple. What will I do? I will go to my main and I will click on OK. So this is my text. You can see I want to make some change here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to drag it and drop it here, and you can see it has successfully dragged in my timelines window. I wanted to make some changes. So friends, similarly you can make some changes here, and you can also turn it to the color which you want. I wanted to add some text here like subscribe please, okay, subscribe please, our channel for more amazing videos like this. So friends, you can see you can also pass smile here. It will look very beautiful, and it is a laughing emoji. I can also add this one. So I can also go to advanced setting, and I can adjust the font styles, shades, text types, colors, opacity and much more. This is totally customizable. I can increase or decrease my text opacity as well. I will see you in the next video. I hope so you will get enjoy from my video. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.